Argentina have made two changes, of course, and the two subs combined there. Gargo to Higuain, and now it's Lionel Messi finding Higuain, and Messi takes it up again, and he dances away, and he scores! Lionel Messi! That's what they came for! By train, plane and automobile, 50,000 Argentines have found their way to Rio, and Lionel Messi finally rewards them.
Well, you'd argue it's the only person on the pitch who's possibly created and taken that goal for himself. He just seemed to have a little bit of extra zip in his stride. And it's a fantastic finish.
Football in midfield, but there's not really been any quality of cutting edge when it gets into the final third for both teams.
But is it going to come late on from Messi? Messi has a path through and shoots! Yes! He's done it! Taking matters into his own hands in spectacular fashion, Lionel Messi at last, at long last, seems to have won a game against Brazil.
Se va a adelantar Messi. Allí va. Messi. Le va a pegar Messi. Ahí va. Messi. ¡Gol! ¡Argentina! Lo hizo el mejor de todos los tiempos.
Here's the danger man. It's an extraordinary start by one of the players of the tournament, Lionel Messi. Well, that's going to be a candidate for one of the goals of this World Championship. Absolutely perfect. He's made the difference.
Now let's see the Messi. Messi now. Messi the shot! Ladies and gentlemen, the best player on the planet does it again. You give him just an inch, and he's so quick on the trigger. Whip! Oh, that is just a magnificent strike.
And he's in. Wants it back. He wants it back. Messi lifts it up. Oh, the coup de grace. Goal, Argentina. Lionel Messi. How do you describe magic? How do you describe this? It's virtually impossible. Messi. Oh, absolutely astounding. Perfection. But when you're up against Lionel Messi, you're up against the very best.
Argentina come again. With Messi, you go for goal here. Oh my goodness gracious me! If one man could win a football match, it would be Lionel Messi. Curled around the defence, curled around the goalkeeper, curled into the net. That is vintage Messi. The goal of a global superstar, maybe the greatest ever.
Neymar was on the left.
Watch out, Messi. Messi again. Messi with the shot.
Oh! Oh!
Oh, what a goal! Lionel Messi, 4-3, a hat trick for the world's best player. Oh my goodness! Thank you, Lionel. What a show by the best player on the planet. Thank you, God. Thank you, God, for letting me watch this. Thank you, God, for having Lionel Messi be a football player. Argentina 4, Brazil 3.